Did Newman just take off? What are you doing? Don't throw them at Newman. You got the sillies today. Don't tell Dad you're playing with his keys. Hey, what are you two doing? You're lucky she hasn't thrown them on your head. Oh my goodness! Don't throw them on the birdies. You play over here. That was not good. Cookie, you really missed something. Oh, okay, no keys. Do you want to play with the keys? Here. Oh, really? You're missing all the fun. Newman likes this toy, Coco. This toy right here. No? You don't want to play with it? I know you want to play with it. Oh! Did Newman just take off?